Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to hide your name in Valorant. So guys, first is of course just simply open up your Valorant and go to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have this pop up right over here, and you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now, once you are here on the settings, just make sure you are on the general tab at the top. And just simply scroll down a little bit until you see over here privacy. So here on the privacy, you will have the first option, hide my Riot ID from players outside my party. And you can also turn on use generic names for players outside my party. So pretty much over here, you can hide your name in Valorant, and you can just simply change these settings right here and make sure you are on the general. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.